guys, this is Marilfa from MCJ Studio and I'm here with another video. Today I will be talking about the interview that I had at the radio station, the workshops that will be coming up, and of course the exhibition and the last day that I will be having on the 10th of May. So stay tuned, sit back and enjoy this video. So like I already said in the intro, I had my very first video interview and I have to say I'm very happy and I'm very blessed for it because I finally got to talk more about MCJ Studio. So things are going pretty well. I'm very happy with the direction that I'm going and I just cannot wait to speak and show more on MCJ Studio. So this week on the 25th of April I was at a local radio station in Amsterdam which is called Markt Radio, and I had the opportunity to be in the program of this young woman that has a program called The Diary of a Sister. And she basically just wanted to talk about not only the event and the workshop and exhibition that I have, but also talking about my life actually as an artist and a melanated artist and how I experienced that. How do I come to the decision to be an artist? How did that work? Are there any struggles doing that? Are there any problems that I had to face? It was a really interesting interview that I had, and it was more like a conversation. I really didn't have the feeling that I was being interviewed. It was like I was having a conversation with someone else. I made a live recording of it on Insta Story. I think it already passed because the 24 hours are now passed. But for those who watched it, I think you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. But it was really fun to do so. So I cannot wait to do one more in the near future. Was it my first radio interview? However, it was the first radio interview for MCJ Studio. So I'm just happy to talk about the things that I'm about to do, how I started as an artist, and hopefully, give a little bit of, like a feedback or like an inspiration to someone else who maybe wants to start doing their own artistic journey, or maybe just something else that they want to do creatively. So it was a really fun time. I really enjoyed it. So people from Markt Radio, thank you. I loved it, and hopefully I will be back with another interview. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the workshops. What workshops? Well, the workshops that I will be having on the 4th, 5th, 11th, and 12th of May. So the coming week and next week, the week after that, you will have the opportunity to participate in the workshops that I'll be giving. And the name of the workshop is called Sip and Paint, and basically it is a painting workshop combined with a high tea and exotic bakeries. So you will have the possibility to join into these painting classes and just start with something really simple. I will be guiding you through it, so you won't be doing it alone. And you can do it with a couple of friends, you can do it with a family member, maybe you have a baby shower, maybe there's something that you want to celebrate, maybe it's just a nice girls out, maybe you just want to do it by yourself. Everything is possible. Now it's very important that you go to the event tab on my Facebook page. So going to the Facebook page that I have, you have an event tab on the left side. When you click on that, you will see a whole list of events and workshops that I will be having for the coming time. Now you can actually pick which date and time is the most suitable for you. You have to pay in advance, you have to pay a ticket in advance. And after you paid your ticket, you will have the confirmation that you already reserved for your seat. Now the workshops will be given between the 6 and 10 people, so I urge you to take someone with you, like a friend or a family member. Maybe it's your neighbor, maybe it's your daughter. 12th of May is Mother's Day, so that would be a really fun moment for a lot of people just to have this type of celebration during a workshop, a sip and paint workshop. And of course, it will be at the location where I have my exposition. So while you are doing the sip and paint, you will also be looking at all the paintings that I've created over there. So it's actually a very stimulating and a very exciting environment to be in. Again, you can go to my Facebook page, go to the event tab, and once you click on there, you will have a whole list of all the events that will be taking place the coming time. The 4th, 5th, 11th and 12th of May. You have to reserve your ticket in advance. So no tickets at the door. You have to reserve your ticket in advance. Another thing, tomorrow is the last day that you can get your early bird ticket, and the early bird ticket is 35 euros. The normal price will be 45 euros, and if you come as a couple, like a duo, then it will be 80 euros. So you will be saving up money if you come as two. If you are coming in a group, don't worry, just contact me and I will definitely give you a good price for that as well. But tomorrow is the last day that you can have your early bird ticket, 35 euros. Now please be aware that there are costs added to the price. So if the ticket is 35 euros, transactions fees, like, just for handling all the cost and the service via Eventbrite, they will add, I think, something like 2.37 euros. So be aware of that. It's not too high, but be aware of it, that the price will be a little bit higher, but still is a good deal to have. So 35 euros for your early bird ticket, only till tomorrow, 8 o'clock. And then afterwards, there are no early bird tickets, and there will only be the normal or the duo price. So get your ticket as soon as possible. Now, the last thing that I wanted to share with you is, of course, the last day of the exposition. So the last day of the exposition will be on the 10th of May. And on the 10th of May, I will be doing something special. I want to create a live painting, which means I will be standing there creating a painting while people are also visiting the exposition. Now, the exposition will be open from 1 o'clock in the afternoon till 7 at night. And you will have the possibility just to enter, to visit. Maybe you're interested in buying one of the paintings. Maybe you want to know more about the paintings. Maybe you want to ask me some questions about a possible commission, or maybe you have an event and you want to ask me some questions, or you just want to look at what I'm painting. You are more than welcome. I do want to advise you to go to my Facebook page, again to the event tab. Click on there and click on the exposition of the 10th of May. When you click on that exposition, you can reserve, so RSVP. Please do so, because then we know that you are coming and we know how many people will be showing up, and we have the proper preparations for that day. So please do reserve before you come. Let us know that you're coming. It will be only more fun to know that people are interested and are willing to come. I have to say, the first day of the exposition was really nice. It was fun. It was just nice to see the interest of all the people and the connection that people made with the paintings. Such a lovely thing to see, and I cannot wait to see how people are going to react to it again, and also to see different faces, maybe people that were not able to come the first day but now can come for the last day of the exposition. Don't let this pass you by. Okay, people, so that is all that I had to share actually in this video. I will be posting, of course, enough content, enough info on all the coming events, workshops, and whatever it is that I'm doing. Please keep following me here on Facebook. If you have any questions, just send me a message, or you can send me an email as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.